U.S. Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia, the leading conservative voice on the High Court, has died at the age of 79, a government source and a family friend told CNN on Saturday. His death set off an immediate debate about whether President Barack Obama should fill the seat in an election year. Obama said Saturday night that he plans to nominate a replacement, but Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said the nomination should wait until the next president comes into office, while top Democrat Harry Reid called for the seat to be filled right away. Scalia died in his sleep during a visit to Texas. A government official said Scalia went to bed Friday night and told friends he wasn't feeling well. He didn't get up for breakfast on Saturday morning, and the group he was with for a hunting trip left without him. Someone at the ranch went in to check on him and found him unresponsive. The U.S. Marshals Service is helping to arrange for his body to be returned to his home in McLean, Virginia, an official told CNN, not to investigate his death. They were already present because marshals sometimes help supplement security for traveling justices. The U.S. Marshals Service is helping to arrange for his body to be returned to his home in McLean, Virginia, an official told CNN, not to investigate his death. They were already present because marshals sometimes help supplement security for traveling justices.
U.S. Supreme Court Justice Antonin Scalia has died while on a hunting trip in Texas. The death of the staunchly conservative justice means the balance of power on America's most powerful court will now shift to the Democrats, as President Obama will almost certainly nominate a liberal justice to fill the vacancy. Scalia was one of the most important and influential people in the entire country. Appointed by President Ronald Reagan in 1986, Scalia served on the court for nearly 30 years and helped decide countless cases that have shaped modern American history, including the 2000 Bush v. Gore election recount decision that settled the presidency in George W. Bush's favor, and the 2010 Citizens United case that allowed unlimited election spending by individuals and corporations, and the rise of super PACs. Scalia is survived by his wife Maureen and his 9 children. His death gives President Obama the opportunity to seat his 3rd Supreme Court justice, after earlier appointing Sonia Sotomayor and Elena Kagan. This is the current makeup of the court. Chief Justice John Roberts was appointed by the Republican President George W. Bush along with the other W. Bush appointee Samuel Alito. The conservative wing also includes Clarence Thomas, appointed by the Republican President George H.W. Bush, and the more moderate Anthony Kennedy, appointed by Ronald Reagan. The 4 liberal justices are Ruth Bader Ginsburg and Stephen Breyer, both appointed by Bill Clinton, and Sotomayor and Kagan, seated by Obama. With the Republicans in control of the U.S. Senate, the body of Congress that votes to confirm Supreme Court nominees, the stage is set for a dramatic election year battle to decide Scalia's successor. What do you think of this news, and who do you think Obama should nominate to replace Justice Scalia?